Hi there, students. I was most surprised to discover I didn't have Cushty. Cushty is a word meaning great, cool. Would you like to go for a drink? Cushty. Do you think this is a good idea? Cushty. It means great, cool. I agree with you. Let's see, this is pure Cockney. This is a phrase that you will find Del Boy uses all the time. If something is cushty, it's an adjective. It means good. It means real. It means enjoyable. It means something that I like. So you've got a really cushty job. I bought these for 20 and I sold them for 50. Cushty. That was good. That was enjoyable. Okay, so if something is cushty, it's excellent, it's really good, it's brilliant, fantastic. Yeah, this is cushty. So something that's enjoyable, it's an interjection, cushty. An exclamation of pleasure or agreement or approval. So what do you think of these? Cushty. I'm saying yes, they're cool, they're good. How did things work out in the exam? Cushty. Yeah, the exam was cushty. Are you going to come with me tomorrow? Cushty. Okay, but this is very informal. Let's see, if you've ever watched Only Fools and Horses, and I strongly suggest you should, you'll find Del Boy, who is the main character. He uses this phrase quite a lot. It's a positive note. It's saying that things are good, things are cool. Yeah, it's the right thing. It's something that is pleasing, that is right. I got a really cushty deal from this bloke. He sold me all of these things really cheaply. Okay, so Cushty. This is originally a Romany gypsy word. So the origin is quite interesting. It comes from Romany gypsy kushto or kushti, meaning good. Perhaps it was influenced by the word cushy as well. Notice this word is extremely informal. I would use it in an informal conversation. And let's see, this is the sort of word to use on the street. I wouldn't use this in a posh situation or posh society. Cushty. This is a working class London word. And if things are cushty, they are great. Things are going well. Things are perfect. It's good. It's pleasing. I think it's derived from a Persian word which means happiness. So everything was cushty. Everything is going well. How did the match work out? Cushty. We won 6-0. Okay, so if you're saying cushty, you're saying things are good. You're saying things have worked out well. Things went just right. It's an informal exclamation of agreement, of happiness, that you're very good. That song that they played was cushty. Yeah, your drum, the place where you live, your flat, is really cushty. Okay, so it's a nice place. I like it. So, cushty, formality, boof. 3, 2.5, 2. It's really, really low formality. It's really, really informal. It's particularly a London word, but I think you could nowadays you can use this word just about anywhere in the UK, and Brits are going to know what it means. So Cushty from Romany gypsy, from the Romany language, kushto, kushti, meaning good. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If you thought the Cushty video was cushty, give it a rating. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Cushty.